Hello and welcome to another vlog. It's me, Angelo Caruano. Today Cospier and Vince didn't make it, unfortunately. Today we're in the wild areas of Mellieħa. We refer to it in Maltese as Aħrax tal-Mellieħa. And we are going to reach a secluded beach, which we will take this trek from here and reach this beach, which is obviously on the coast of the Maltese Islands. This secluded bay, it is listed as Wallstone Beach on Google Maps. I don't know if this is the correct name of this beach. Maybe if you're from the vicinities or from Mellieħa, maybe you can shed some more information about this area. Have a look how nice here, the area. Look, beautiful, eh? We're in April in Malta. It's very sunny today, a bit windy, so let's continue to reach that beach. That is the beach that we will be reaching soon. It's not far from here. It's not difficult. You can do it even with your family, but always take care, because the path, it's a bit rough, but not that difficult or super difficult to do it. So let's continue our adventure. Look how nice, huh? There are no people except for only one over there. There are some walls as well over there. I don't know their purpose. And even the greenery, it's already since no rain for the last approximately 1 month or more, so it will become warm and dry. Look at the rocks here. There are some soil as well. I think it's soil or sand. Look. Some plastic, unfortunately, that we throw into the sea, which will end up on our shores. Barbecues here. But why? Why you do open fires in such places? We condemn such things, huh? This one, it's like a small breakwater. Obviously, it's man-made. Have a look, it's concrete. There's that man fishing over there. But it's nice, huh? Have a look. How quiet. And I met a fisherman. He's from the area. He was very gentle explaining this whole area here. They find it as Taħt is-Sur here. And that, like breakwater, way back around 40 years ago, it was planned for the Gozo Channel to come here, and I think he will leave the passengers here, but they found that it was not viable to do it here, so they abandoned it, and it remained like this till today. So let's continue the other parts of this beach. Even here, he told me there was like an arch with obviously with rocks, and which collapsed I don't know how many years ago. So it was very interesting, and he told me maybe there are some pictures of it, but obviously who knows, maybe we can find them somewhere, or someone who's watching this vlog can tell us more about it. Have a look here. Amazing, eh? How nice and peaceful here, eh? The waves hitting the rocks over here. Look. Wow. There's like, it's like a small bastion over there. I don't know its purpose, as I told you. It's not that safe to go on that, this breakwater, because it's very slippery, and there were some high waves as well hitting the... So better if we take care and be safe. I will show you from here this beach. The fisherman told me that in summer it will be full of people here doing swimming and enjoying this area. Have a look. Super wow, eh? Now we're heading to the other part of this beach. As I told you, it's listed as Wallstone Beach on Google Maps. However, that fisherman told me that the area, they find it as Taħt is-Sur in Maltese, under the Bastion. Even the color of the rocks, it's different here. It's black, brownish. There are variations in the rock formations here. I'm not a geologist, but I think they are different types of rocks. Or maybe there's some soil in these. Look how brownish this is, for example. There's like a small cave, yeah? Have a look. It's like a small cave. There are some tree branches there, and I think they were washed over there, or maybe someone put them there. Look how nice. Some water, obviously it's water. There are some interesting rock formations as well here, eh? Like a small archer. Look how nice. It's amazing. And that was the end of another vlog today from the Wallstone Beach, or as the locals know it as Taħt is-Sur. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful scenery here on the seashore. Please subscribe, like and comment on my channel Angelo Caruana. Until the next one, bye bye.